Matcha lovers, imagine this, a tranquil moment with the perfect cup of matcha green tea in your hand. Sounds incredible, right? But did you know that your tea drinking experience can be elevated with the right accessories? Today, we'll explore 7 essential items every matcha enthusiast needs. Stick around, because this list could transform your tea ritual into something truly magical. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned matcha drinker, having the right tools is a game changer. Without them, you might not fully unlock the flavors and health benefits of this vibrant green tea. The traditional art of preparing matcha requires more than just the tea powder. It's about embracing a process that connects you to centuries of culture. So, what's missing from your setup? Let's dive into the essentials. First, the challenge, a matcha bowl designed for whisking and sipping, is a must-have for the ultimate experience. Next, the chafing, a bamboo whisk, is key to achieving that velvety, smooth consistency. Then there's the chachaku, a bamboo scoop that ensures the perfect portion every time. And don't forget the sifter, which prevents clumps, ensuring a creamy texture. For storage, a high-quality, airtight container keeps your matcha fresh and vibrant. Add a thermometer to achieve the perfect water temperature. And finally, a matcha stand to keep your whisk in pristine condition. These 7 tools work harmoniously to elevate your matcha routine. The real magic happens when you try them. Imagine whisking your matcha in a challenge with a chase and watching the fine foam form on top. The process isn't just functional. It's meditative and deeply satisfying. These accessories don't just make better tea, they make the experience unforgettable. With these essentials, your matcha moment will be richer, smoother, and more rewarding. Investing in these items means investing in your tea journey and yourself. Now it's your turn. Which of these accessories do you already own? And which are you excited to try? Share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tea inspiration. See you in the next cup.